The way we make beds at Alice Lane is both beautiful but also really accommodating for all of the creature comforts we have when we get into bed. We like to start with a great set of sheets, whether your preference be cotton or linen or something silky. We almost always choose white. We like to layer on a quilt. Here we're using a gray textured woven linen quilt with a pick stitch. From there we like to layer on another blanket because it's winter here, and this is just something that's going to provide another layer whether you both keep it on or not. I really like that second quilt. After that we're going to add something with a little bit more pile. I love a duvet. We like to do this S-curve fold on the duvet. Just folding it back and forth allows you to lay in bed and grab the open end and pull up. If you're not already doing this, try it. It will make getting into bed so much more effortless. Then we start to layer on the pillows. We start with the pillows that you sleep with. In this first way, we are going to just lay them down flat. And then on top we're going to layer on a beautiful sham. These are the shams that match the quilt. They're actually two-sided, so you can choose if you want to have the cream side up or the gray side up. After that we're going to stack 3 Euro shams because this is a king bed. If we were using a queen we would just do 2 Euro shams. And we're just going to stack them straight across like soldiers in a soldier course. We like to shake the pillow upside down to make sure there's plenty of loft and down that gets into all the corners before we put them on the bed. Once those are on, it's just 2 decorative pillows. All of these pillows aren't a waste. They actually make for the perfect amount of comfort to sit up in bed and do whatever it is that you like to do to unwind at night. In the second way, you can do your pillows to graduate the height, going from tallest to shortest. So here we put the pillow that you sleep on up against the bed, and so we hide that pillow with the Euros. The 3 Euros are just going to stand up straight up against those pillows, and then from there we're going to graduate the height down to the king sham. And again, you can do this gray facing forward or the cream facing forward because this is a 2-sided sham. From there we just add the 2 decorative pillows. At the end of it all, I like to just throw a throw on top of the bed. It adds sort of a casual, effortless layer. I have a throw at the foot of my bed. I'm always cold and my husband's always hot. So this is another layer, but I find it to be really useful.